Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to run your first payroll in Gusto. Alright, so your team is in place, onboarding is complete, and payday is just around the corner. Let's walk through how to run your first payroll using Gusto accurately, smoothly, and most importantly, stress-free. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is to go to the Run Payroll section. So from your Gusto dashboard, click on Run Payroll. You're going to see a list of all of your employees and contractors, their pay period, and the upcoming payday. Now, if this is your first time, Gusto will walk you through each step with tool tips, but we're here to break it down in details. Now, step two is to review pay period details. So go ahead and check the pay period and pay dates at the top. Now, the pay period is the time that your employees worked, and the pay date is when they'll receive their payments. Now, make sure both are accurate before moving on. If you need to adjust them, just click edit and adjust, make whatever adjustments you need. Step three is to enter employee hours and adjustments. Now, for hourly employees, you can enter the number of hours worked during the pay period. You could also include any overtimes, bonuses, commissions, or reimbursements if applicable. For salaried employees, Gusto calculates their pay automatically, but you can still add any one-time bonuses or changes. And make sure you double check everything. This is the part where accuracy matters most. So you got to make sure everything is accurate, double check, and make sure. Step four is to review deductions and taxes. Now, Gusto handles the calculation for taxes, tax withholdings, benefits deductions, and employer tax contributions. So you're gonna see a full breakdown for each employee. There's the gross paid, tax withheld, benefits like health insurance or 401ks and such, and net pay, which is the amount that they'll actually receive. You can view this for all employees before submitting, just to make sure that all the information are accurate. Step five is to submit payroll. So once you've reviewed everything and it looks good, go ahead and click submit payroll. Gusto will process direct deposits or prepare checks, depending of course on your setup. And you will also get a confirmation page showing the total payroll cost, including taxes and fees. And if needed, you can download or print reports for your personal record. Step six is to let your team know. So employees will automatically receive pay stubs by mail or in Gusto's profile, but it's always a good idea to give them a heads up, especially if it's their first paycheck. And there you go, your first payroll is in the books. From now on, it only gets easier, especially if you set up autopilot. Next up, we'll cover how to manage employee benefits through Gusto, so stay tuned. Like the video if you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.